K is for abalone. Abalone. B is for box jellyfish. Box jellyfish. C is for coral. Coral. D is for damselfish. Damselfish. D is for the electric ray. The electric ray. F is for firefish. Firefish. G is for giant manta ray. Giant manta ray. H is for herring. Herring. I is for icefish. Icefish. J is for jawfish. Jawfish. K is for king crab. King crab. L is for lingcod. Lingcod. M is for manatee. Manatee. N is for marite snail. Marite snail. O is for oyster. Oyster. P is for porpoise. Porpoise. Q is for quillback rockfish. Quillback rockfish. R is for ribbon eel. Ribbon eel. S is for starfish. Starfish. T is for thresher shark. Thresher shark. U is for urchin. Urchin. V is for vampire squid. Vampire squid. W is for weaver fish. Weaver fish. X is for Cyphias. Cyphias. Y is for yellowtail. Yellowtail. Z is for zooplankton. Zooplankton.